15 liters. Working to promise at least 10 liters cream. Entire the hydraulic lifting up and down vacuum emulsifier for lab use, and all the homogenizer using the water cooling one. Double metal water cooling mechanical seal. Top sealing lid is very delicate, as you can see, very shining. Especially the smart control system. Siemens brand PLC HMI control automatically, and 360 degree for convenient operating. Let's go back to the side. It do also have a mounted 7 liters oil phase, pre-melting, preheating, processing tanks. And the pipes has a bottom. At the bottom has connected wire, transfer the material, melted oil or paste to the 10-liter main tanks automatically. This is the vacuum suction pipe, also connect wire. Connected in to suck some raw material like powder, like oil, like liquid, whatever. When you just open the vacuum pumps, it will automatically start feeding in the raw materials in. And in the future, when you need automatically control the feeding system, you can also let the Metro Toledo brand of the load cell systems here. It is specially designed like this. Motors, we are using ABB, higher grade than Siemens brand, ABB motors. Frequency converter also in the same level. It is a delicate machine. It's a high standard configuration exhibition sample booth. So expecting your preference, and today has been the last day. We do not want to bring it back to China. Expecting your decision. If you need it, all the machine will be packed where? Because the pallet, another 5 sides face the wooden case, we are also maintained. We can pack it where after the exhibition, and you can directly pick it up. We give you it's just the ex-work price, but actually you already enjoy the CIF. Custom clearance issue and fee we already paid. The ocean shipping fee from my factory China here to Dubai also paid. Besides it, we do also have other machines. This is 200 liter perfume filling, perfume chilling, mixing, filtering machines. It's also waiting his owner. This day